Welcome back to Kenny U-Pull. Today we're going to show you how easy it is to remove a trunk support. In most vehicles you will have access to both ends. In this case we will have to remove the tail light first to get at the bottom support. I'll start with a T25 Torx bit to remove the tail light. There, I've removed the screw. I'm going to leave it off to the side in case I need it later. Now I simply remove the tail light, pull carefully, and it gives us access to the bottom of the support. Now is a good time if you have a friend to hold the hatch up so it doesn't fall down when you take the support off. I'm going to switch out to a small flat screwdriver right now. You'll see the shocks are very simple to remove. There's a little clip at the bottom. You come in, pop the little spring out. There we go. And it should be easy enough to pull out like that. You'll see it's the same thing at the top. You just have the little spring to pop out and you can pull off your support. Once the support is off, you can give it a test. If you push on both ends and see that it doesn't have any play, it's good to go. It's that easy to pull apart at Kenny U-Pull and save a lot of money.